Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of access failed on Tinder. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of access failed on Tinder app, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to the window of apps and you can click on Tinder app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can search about Tinder app, you will enter here. And then you can update your app if you will find update here as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.